Hello! In this video, I will show you how to set up and configure Google reCAPTCHA v3 in Affiliate Press. Scroll down to the Captcha Integrations section and enable Google reCAPTCHA v3. To configure Google reCAPTCHA v3 in Affiliate Press, you will need a site key and a secret key. Now go to the Google reCAPTCHA v3 register, a new site page. The link is available in the video description. This is the Google reCAPTCHA v3 registration page. Enter the label, select the reCAPTCHA type and add your domain. You can add multiple domains at the same time. Now click the submit button. Your site key and secret key will be displayed here. Copy them one by one and paste them into the backend. Now click the save button to save your changes. Your changes have been saved. Now go to the front end sign up page. This is the sign up page. You can see the Google reCAPTCHA icon at the bottom right corner. Now open the sign in page. This is the Affiliate Press sign up page. Here you can also see the Google reCAPTCHA icon at the bottom right corner.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.